anyway, that's the sound that you do. That's the sound that you do for notebooks. Depending on what truck you got. Don't get it confused with this. Similar for sure.
Hey, welcome to Attackett Adventures today. Welcome to Tackett Trucker Car Series. Today we got the 2016 Renegade. We had a check engine light come on. The issue, when I ran a scanner, I can't show you what the number was, but it says evac leak. So I knew from experience on our Ford that I had trouble with that, and I knew pretty much that that's the tank, that the evap has got it's got to do with the vent and everything on the tank. But normally you would say, well, that's a gas cap. You don't have a gas cap. And I don't have a service manual either. So the fix, before you take it to the dealer, the fix is to scrub. This ain't as clean as it could be. You can see how dirty my hands are from this truck today. It could be cleaner. You clean, and then you wipe this metal base. This is your cap. And it also, it wouldn't, because of the code, just be aware. I learned from the threads. Again, I don't have a service manual. I learned from the threads that if you had the remote start and you have an engine code, like it was saying that this was leaking, if it gets slime on here, it can't seal. That's a metal to rubber contact. It can't have any slime on there, so it won't do the remote start either. It will start, but then it'll fade off after 20 seconds. It kills so you have to sit in the truck. Also, this truck sat for a week. For some reason, it wouldn't. It just wouldn't catch. So I held the pedal to the floor. It's been running since. To get it to crank, I just held the pedal to the floor, which for some vehicles it won't allow it to run at all, because I heard from South Main Auto that automatically gives it a flood situation where it knows that it's flooded. It won't allow it to run. But for some reason that solved us from doing it. And it does the remote now. Since I took the clear, you got to have a scanner to take the code out. So hope that is a little bit of a help if you see that. Appreciate you. Like and subscribe.